Japanese garden company. That's right, it's the Japanese garden company. And they employ me to, they put one of these things on the table, and they employ me to sit over the container. No! All day like, and you just
There's more bad driving, the car in front, go straight over the roundabout, don't give way to the right, there you go, bang, car's turning right and he just comes straight in front of it, a little mini roundabout there, we all know to give way to the right.
Jebana co za frajer.
Reeves and Lamb, Reeves and Starmer, can they survive? Probably not. But just for a bit of fun, what would you buy them? What would you, those relatives that you literally loathe?
6 months before and it's 3 months now. Why the change?
It's all down to Omicron. So 6 months before was related to waning of protection against Delta. But what we're seeing now is a need to really get to much higher antibody levels much sooner because of this impending crisis. And we've got the science because Saul Faust in Southampton led us an excellent study showing that you could boost up people who've been primed with AstraZeneca and Pfizer at 3 months and get very high antibody levels. So we know it works.
Okay, so that's the that's 30 to 39.
You f***ing idiot!
People, you can now from tomorrow, I guess.
You hit me, you f***ing twat.
What about reports that children as young as 5 are maybe vaccinated? Where do you stand on that?
You hit me! You hit me!
Okay, well in a personal capacity, if you had a 5-year-old,
you hit me, you f***ing twat!
if you want to dodge that, that's fine.
I do have to dodge that at the moment because whatever I say.
time to lose weight doing it that way.
I can't see that being a miracle thing, like. If they take fat off you quickly, it's going to be too easy then.
What's that, Pete? Pete?
I didn't see it.
Fucking hell!
No, I didn't see it.
Fucking hell, why did you go straight over it?
I didn't see it.
Jesus. You fucking idiots.
Just like a velour joggers. Hey, baby.
Oh, you fucking prick.
That's what he do.
You need a gold chain.
You're on camera, you fucking idiot.
Thank you for the call. I don't care that it was a robot. That was fine. If some of you have like hard questions and you would rather, I don't know.
Yo, the f are you doing? Fucking weirdo. From the left! Priority from the fucking left, weirdo. Fucking weirdo.
Subway wards, back of the net.
M4 eastbound in South Wales remains closed off from Margam to Pyle, junction 38 to 37, queuing back to Port Talbot as emergency repairs continue in the roadworks. Southbound M6 struggling, Stock down to Stafford North, that's junction 15 to 14, with a lane out there for a breakdown, that's slow. There's still some queues for the westbound M62, so Chain Bar, junction 26 to Brighouse at 25. The inside lane is covered off. There's little fire there. I'm Jules Buckley.
Versus Forest on TalkSport 2 from 8. Basel face Villa.
You car.
everybody else is taking their time. Then why weren't you there to see it?
Monday, it's our Monday matinee, a greatest hit from one of the great movie soundtracks of all time. If you have a song from movies you'd like me to play, send your choice to me. greatesthitsradio.co.uk.
Can't do.
Right, well, we'll speak to him tomorrow.
We've got to.
Okay. We will.
Doesn't matter whether it's last minute or not.
Jed.
Co robisz, ty vole? Go! Fucking asshole.
One numpty already.
Oh yeah, well, yeah, there we go. Cut across me, why don't you? EF70ZVG.
I'll download that quickly.
Yeah.
Now he's trying to push in up here. What an idiot.
What a yeah.
I love that. Thanks, traffic lights. Whoa.
like much faster. Orca!
मेरा पैर
पानी भी पीते हैं, ठीक है कार की चीज
पानी मैंने बहुत पिया मसले में क्योंकि मेरा सर शेक हो रहा था
ठीक है look at this absolutely ridiculous
Go with your gut.
9 grand off for speed.
Oh my lord, how red was that?
Question, Chris, what are you going to do?
I don't know.
Are you f***ing joking?